Upma is one of the Indian best breakfast. So today we will make masala upma. Hope you will like it. For making this upma, first we require is semolina, or in Hindi we say it Sooji. So first we have to roast this Sooji for at least 5 minutes. Now the Sooji is roasted. So other ingredients what we require is onion, potato, carrot, sprouts, tomato, curry leaf, ginger and garlic chopped. Then we have to heat a pan and add cooking oil and ghee. Then we have to add cumin seed and mustard seed. Then chopped ginger, garlic, curry leaf, onion and fry it well. Then in it we will add the potato and the carrot. Mix it well. Fry for some time. Then we can add the green peas and mix it. Then we will add the sprouts. After 2 minutes of cooking, we will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We will add the coriander powder also. And also the cumin powder, all half teaspoon. Now we will add the chopped tomatoes and mix it well. Now after frying for 2 to 3 minutes, we will add water into it. We have to boil the water for at least 5 minutes. Here we will be adding salt. Salt will be according to your taste. Once the water is boiled for 5 minutes, we will add the roasted Sooji or the semolina into it, and continuously we have to stir it. Now the upma is cooked and ready to be served. masala upma at home and enjoy. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also share this video to your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.